Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jeff, Code 3 Shop Talk. We are going to talk about the Outliner Perimeter Lighting Series. It's meant for push bumpers, tailgates, running boards, and any other thin area around your vehicle where you need to provide some perimeter lighting. 4 different lengths, 24, 36, 60, and 72. And it mounts with either the left or the right. And you can tell by the wire exit, so you know which side of the vehicle to put it on. This is actually our second run at the Outliner series. We added more color functionality and features within the light. Dual color primarily is what we were focusing on. We've got IP67 rating, lead wire, so you can really customize how you want it to work. And in addition to the dual color operation, we have a dim feature and a steady burn override. We didn't start the fire. It's been steady burning since the world's been turning. So if you pull up onto a scene, you need some area lighting, we can switch that to steady burn light. With all the different color options, you can really mix and match any of the color combinations and functionality. So if you're looking for a real thin mounting option, this is about a 1/2 inch in height where the LEDs can actually broadcast their light to the exterior of the vehicle, and only 2 inches in depth. For more information, code3esg.com. Thanks for your time. Lock it up, B.